Yes, good afternoon, kids. Now I'm going to explain you the last topic, that is mail merge. Okay, I hope you have understood till here and you have practiced in your systems also. So, what is mail merge? Mail merge is a feature which lets you create and distribute multiple copies of the same document to different recipients. Okay, suppose it's my birthday and I want to call my 50 friends on my birthday party. So if I will post the cards, it will cost to me, and I have to write all different addresses I have to post, and that is going to cost too much. So what can I do? I can email the cards to them. Okay, and at the same time I can email the card, one single card, invitation card, but I can send it to several users with the different user IDs, that means different email ID. In this we need to make the data source. Data source means the document file. Document file means in which we are going to create the document which we need to send. Okay, suppose I create Guru Nanak Public School invites you in the annual function. So if we want to send it to the all the parents, so we have made this document. Now this document is going to be known as the main document because we are sending this document. So we will go to the tools tab. In tools tab we will go to the mail merge wizard. Okay, in mail merge wizard you can see we have the different steps, selecting starting document, all that. So in this you will click the use the current document option. Okay, this one only, by default it's given. Now select document I window appears. Okay, after that we will click on the next button. Now the after clicking this, the window mail merge wizard window appears. Okay, now step 2 is creating the data source. Data source means the list of people to whom we are sending the this invitation. Okay, so for that we go to the file. We need to go to the file. After that, in wizards we will go to address data source. Now this is the address data source. Okay, in this we can select the address book type, other external data sources. Now next, now to set up the data source we will click the settings, and in this we can select the different databases. Okay, uh, these one, like we have JDBC, Oracle, JDBC, all these are the databases. Database means a collection of data, and that collection of data is in the forms of the table. So suppose I select here spreadsheet. Okay, now next, now path to it, we have to enter the path. Okay, we will browse it. Now it's asking for the path of the file, but we have not made that file. So what we can do, we can open this, open office. See, the spreadsheet is not getting opened. So what we need to do, we just need to close this first, discard. Now again open the open office writer software. In this we will select the spreadsheet because data source can be created in the spreadsheet software. Okay, this is the spreadsheet. That means in Microsoft you call it Excel. Okay, suppose I create here the first column, that is first name, then last name, address, and the city. Okay, suppose I write Ayushi Shandil address you can write Dalhousie. Sorry, you can write address. In address I'm writing the state. Okay, like Himachal Pradesh. We can extend this column. I already explained you that we can increase the size of the columns. Suppose city is Dalhousie. Now the second one is suppose Pratima Rawat. Okay, sorry, the last name should be written in the next column. Rawat. Now again she is in Himachal Pradesh. Suppose she is in Shimla. Now Abhay, suppose Abhay Pandit is in Delhi, or you call it Punjab. Amritsar. Okay, so we have made this data source. Now we are going to save it. Save as. Suppose I'm saving it on the desktop. Now you can see the extension of spreadsheet is .ods. Okay, suppose the name we are keeping is address. Okay, now save. Now we can close this file. Now again we will open that writer in this text document. Now we have written here Guru Nanak Public School invites you in the annual function. Okay, now this is our invitation, and I told you have to go to the tools option. In tools option, mail merge wizard. Okay, in this you will click next. Now here we are going to send the letter only. Next. Now we'll go to the file. In file you will click on the wizards. In wizard, address data source. From here you will select other external source. Now go to the settings. From here we selected spreadsheet. Now the path need to be browsed, and that was on the desktop with the name address. We can find it with the name A, that is, this is the file. So we'll click on open. Now click finish. Now the field assignment comes. In this we will click on the next button. In the next button the path comes of the file which we have made. Okay, this addresses document, inside that is there is a folder that is addresses. Okay, now we will click on the finish. Now the data source is now registered. So in step 3 we will add placeholders called mail merge fields to the document. So we will open the main document window. This is the main document window. Then we will go to view, and then inside this data, in view data sources. Now the address connection is not being established. So for establishing the connection, we will go to here. This is the addresses folder, in which we have two folders, queries and tables. So inside the tables folder, we are having the sheet 1. Okay, this is the sheet which we have made. Okay, so we have selected this. Now drag all the fields of the databases and we will drag them to the main document. Now we can drag these. Okay, suppose we want the first name and the last name here, then this address. Now we can drag the address field because we want the address here. Then at last we want the city, so we can drag this here. Now after this we can write here, dear, this is first name. Okay, we are dragging it again here because we want the name of the person to whom we are sending the mail. Okay, after that we will go to the view and data source to remove that data source window from the screen. Okay, so this is how our document is going to be seen: first name, last name, then address, then city, and then dear first name. Okay, after that step 4 is merging and printing the data source. That is, from we will go to the file tab. From there we will go to the print option. This one is the print option. Okay, now a message is going to appear that your document contain address database field. Do you want to print a form letter? Okay, so we will click on yes. Now a window comes, mail merge window appears on the screen, asking that whether we want to add all the records or selected fields. Okay, so we will click all. So we will click on and then okay. Okay, suppose we want all these, we have clicked, then okay. We don't have the printer, that's why the message came that you don't have the printer. Okay, now you can see that this is the preview. Okay, now we can save this window. First you see this, that Ayushi Shandel, Himachal Pradesh, Dalhousie. Dear Ayushi, Guru Nanak Public School. Okay, now you can see the second one also comes here, Pratima Rawat, and now the fifth one is Abhay Pandit. Okay, so you can see this is particularly now designed for a particular person. Okay, so you just written that Guru Nanak Public School invites you in annual function, that we have written just once, and we have made a data source of different persons. Now we have connected all of them, so a different kind of invitation has been made for a particular person. So we can make this kind of invitations for 50, 100, anyhow, for lots of people. Okay, so after that we can do the print command, but we don't have the printer, that's why it's not going to be printed. Now we can go to file and again save as. We can save this. Okay, suppose on desktop only I'm saving it. Now invitation file. Okay, so save this, and we can, after that we can close the main document. So this is what is the concept of mail merge. I hope you all have understood this. So you should practice this in your system on your own. So thank you all of you.